The Provincial Health Department says it's investigating the cause of suspected food poisoning among learners at a school in the Komani area. 120 learners have been treated for symptoms suspected to be linked to the food they consumed. The SABC reported earlier that 34 learners were admitted to the Frontier Hospital. And Lusanda Sizani, Executive Mayor of the Hani District Municipality, joins us via our phone line for more on this conversation. Lusanda, thank you so much for joining us here on the late edition. Perhaps let's start off and say, when it comes to those who are receiving treatment, we understand that initially it was 120 learners. How many are still in hospital?
Thank you very much. Yesterday it was 186 learners and today is 101.
Yes, and perhaps just also give us an insight in terms of, you are saying it's still 101 of those pupils who are in hospital. In what condition are they in? What are the symptoms coming to the fore when it comes to the kind of treatment they are receiving in hospital?
Yeah, and thank you very much. Yesterday, as the district municipality was alerted on an outbreak where food poisoning is suspected. This happened in 6 schools, that is Edelweni, John Wambindulu, Lexington School, Ndlovukazi High School, and Pankola. As the district municipality, we immediately dispatched our municipal health services team to the affected areas, and the South African Police Service also deployed their team. Samples were taken for tests for to be conducted. We also embarked on a visit of food outlets and conducted investigation on food that may have led to these incidents. The incident, we convened a multi-sectoral joint operations committee today afternoon, which was inclusive of all critical stakeholders, sector departments, health, education, home affairs, social development, and traditional leaders. The JOG discussed the matter and received the reports on issues related to food safety and food outlets in the district.
And when it comes to Lusanda, I can hear you reading a list of a whole host of things that you're doing as the municipality. But when it comes to the preliminary investigation, do we know for certain that this was food poisoning? Hence, why we see so many children being in hospital.
It is an alleged that it's a food poisoning because the community at the areas and schools are saying that it's a food poisoning. So we are waiting for the results because the results were taken to the lab in Cape Town. So we'll wait for the results. It's just an allegation.
And I understand that police have also been roped in because you are saying that there is an investigation also being done by police. So when it comes to, in fact, which shop this is, do we know the shop? Do we know who owns the shop? And do we know if anybody's been, taken in for questioning so far?
What I know that I can confirm, there are arrests of immigration, foreign immigration, foreigners that are deported yesterday alone. So we are still waiting for the investigation and also to disclose the shops that are affected in the area of Komani.
And these shops, is it one shop selling these food items, or did you find that it's a number of shops selling these food items? Because you're saying that some of them are closed, if I'm hearing you correctly.
Yes, there are many shops that are selling these foods, because even on Wednesday the police raided drugs in other shops. Now is this poisoning of our children, and also the investigation will tell us, because police are involved, everyone is involved. Now we are waiting for the investigation, because those food poisoning and were taken to the labs in Cape Town for conducting an investigation.
How concerned are you as the municipality when it comes to this problem? I mean, you are saying that even earlier on in the week, the police went and, inspected some of these shops. Clearly, there is a trend here. I mean, we've seen some shops as well in Gauteng. This has led to deaths as well of some pupils. There's also been these shops in the Free State. So when it comes to dealing with this crisis, how concerned are you as a municipality?
As the municipality were concerned, we are disappointed, and also we are ready as the district municipality and all our local municipalities in making sure that we investigate the matter through the police and all law enforcement agencies, because these things are happening and also are a challenge to our communities, because our students are writing grade 12 in some areas. We want this matter to be investigated and make sure that the perpetrators are arrested.
And these investigations you are saying are taking place in Cape Town, Lusanda. When can we get the results? When can we expect those results so we can finally know if whether indeed there was a food poisoning here?
They said it's a matter of 7 days. We are expecting those results within 7 days so that we will be sure that it is a food poisoning. So we'll await for those results, but we are working hard in making sure that we enforce bylaws. We are doing Operation Kotka, we are doing blitz and awareness campaigns, profiling of our business, more especially the spaza shops. So that's our program in terms of our joint meeting today.
And what sort of support as the Chris Hani municipality are you giving to these families who are experiencing, this problem of their children now being in hospital? I mean, you are even citing the issue of matric exams. Some of those kids, should be writing their exams at this time.
Yes, as the district municipality and the local municipality, we are supporting the learners, because even yesterday we were part of them. We will make sure that are taken care of. They are going to hospital, and also those that are discharged going back home. We are trying our level best to even engage their families, because their families are shocked. We were working hard as the municipality. Thank you very much.